Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bank account to your Credit Karma account. So it is very easy to do, just follow what I am telling you to do and you will be able to do it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Credit Karma. You can simply open mobile app or you can also go to the Credit Karma's website. After this, simply go to the Credit Karma money spent account. So on home screen, look for the Credit Karma spend account. This is a debit account, so simply tap on it. After this, in your spend money account dashboard, look for the options like add money or the transfer money. So simply select the option that mentions linking a bank or the transferring fund from external bank. Once you do that, simply Credit Karma will guide you through the linking your external bank. Typically you will be redirected to signing in your other bank account securely, often through a third party service like Plate. So simply select your bank from the list or search it and then log in your bank credentials. Once linked, you may need to ask to verify the connection. Some bank will do this by sending a small test deposit or by confirming account information directly. So once you follow all of these steps, your bank account will be added to your Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.